So, what we have here, I normally use an iPad, like for convenience if I'm just hanging around, or I could do markups if I want to. I have all the options here if I want to actually like use tools or anything, but it's it's pretty convenient. It has the multi setup. I can use multiple screens, set it up how I want. And if I'm at school or out and about, if you're at work, it's pretty convenient. As far as a Chromebook, it's more like I would honestly wouldn't even like recommend it, but it's totally up to you. I mean, you have the option of the stylus, and you can probably use that to like make any markups that you need to make. Like if you're a technical trader and you want to like do any type of analysis or whatever, but it's just know that a Chromebook is not like a laptop. If you're going to get a laptop, you might as well get one. It's more like an actual tablet, a Samsung tablet, more than anything. Because you're not utilizing programs or anything, you're utilizing more apps. So you have the playbook, like your phone. It's more like your phone than anything. So if you're looking for something more like a computer, I will probably change to something different. For an actual computer, normally I roll with HP. This is the one I actually started with. Most HP, the best computers that you actually want to get would have like more of an i5 processor and up. This one has an i5 processor. I've had this one since about 2014 or 2015. I can't remember. It's been a long time, but it did me well. But yeah, it's a HP Pavilion. It's pretty, yeah, it was pretty fast for its time, but now I've upgraded to better things, and we're about to go to the next thing. But HP Pavilion, even still, they made more up-to-date models, so they're pretty current on their software, so it's going to be faster and smoother if you do decide to get a different HP Pavilion. This is just an older model that I actually have myself. For a bit of an upgrade, I actually have a Lenovo. Hold on a second. I have two different sizes for convenience if I'm on the go. This one, especially since I'm taking like real estate classes right now, I like to take my ThinkPad right now because it's light, convenient, and it does the job, and it still has an i7 processor. So I'm still rolling with everything that has an i5 processor and up. i7 is much better. It's going to be faster. It has normally you want to go with something that has more like 8 gigabytes of RAM and up. And the Spectre X360 facial recognition. This one's more up to date. I just got this one, so it's 8th gen. Oops, zoom in. 8th gen i7 processor. So this bad boy is fast, smooth. I have plenty of space, like 1 terabyte of space, solid state drive. You can get them customized on the HP website if you want to. But yeah, this one's heavy duty. Does everything I needed to do. I can see bigger screen. But yeah, it's my baby right now. But Spectre X360, yeah, the HP Spectre X360 is a great laptop. And you do get the tablet mode with this as well, if you want to do that. And it comes with its own stylus. Also, other options, you can go with the MacBook Pro. MacBook Pros tend to be pretty great. But yeah, I wanted something with high performance. That was just my choice. You don't have to go high performance, but I want something that's going to last me a long time, and I figured that this would be the perfect business computer. Actually, both of these, the perfect business computer that would actually do everything I needed to do. And as far as phones go, iPhones are great. My preference is like the Note series, but you can use pretty much any phone that you want. I want phones are like something with a bigger screen, and the Galaxies or the Notes, iPhones, they tend to do the job. And iPads are great. It just depends on you for Chrome, how you like it, but I prefer something that's going to actually be more of a laptop and less of just a tablet type deal, but it's up to you if you feel that's okay. But I want something more aligned of this to where I could actually use my software to the fullest. And yeah, HP is my favorite, Lenovo's my favorite. Macs, I don't have a problem with, I just never use Macs. And if you have any questions as far as tools go, or if you have any recommendations of your own, feel free to throw something in the comment. But yeah, as far as my trading goes, these are my babies right now. These and my phone and my iPad. So if you're doing some shopping, I say, like I said, buy something with an i5 processor in or up, because those are going to do the most work for you. They're going to be faster, smoother, and they're going to last you much longer than something with an i3 processor or below. Because from my experience, anything less, and that was before I was doing trading, they just don't last at all. I mean, they're slow, they lag, especially if you put in certain software, and it just sucks to deal with, especially if you when you're trying to like do a lot of different things on a computer. You want something that's going to be more business friendly and long term for a computer. Your computer's like your car. You don't want to just buy any car. You want to know what you're buying. You want to know the processing speed. You want to know what you're getting. You want it to be able to do all the things you need it to do so you can be happy.